TY-400S Online Selective Soldering Machine, PCB size 500*450 mm. Also can custom Z for different requests. Conveyor width adjust by computer, easy to operation. Flux spray high precision control, Japan's imports of fog spray valve, optional German imports of point shot method of diverse modes, distribution uniformity and precision. Preheating module design advanced, using infrared lamp preheating can be through the time-speed ratio. PID can be accurate temperature control. Tin furnace capacity of 13 kilograms, welding furnace with self. Developed mechanical pump furnace and imported electromagnetic pump to provide a choice to ensure the stability of the wave welding. The motion control system is highly accurate and stable. Adopt high-precision servo motor to realize accurate positioning of X, Y, Z axis. Electrical control system parts are all imported famous brands such as Omron, Schneider, etc. to ensure the safety and stability of the system. Software completely independent research and development. Selective wave soldering special software anti-dull operation of professional software, intuitive interface, convenient parameter setting, a variety of programming modes, can be stored in a number of groups of programs, real-time monitoring. Apply to new energy, aviation, military, energy storage, security, LED, and other industries widely used. If you need, welcome to contact us for more product inquiries.